Welcome to Queenly Conversations. Have you ever felt nervous when ordering food in English? What should you say when the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" Don't worry, in today's lesson, you'll learn how to order food, ask for the menu, pay the bills, and use simple English expressions that people use every day in restaurants. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and practice speaking with confidence. Let's begin. Part 1. Entering the restaurant now, let's practice a conversation at a restaurant. Emma is having lunch today. As she walks into a restaurant for the first time, David is the waiter. Listen carefully to their conversation and repeat after them. Slow conversation.
Good afternoons.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you.
Table for one.
Yes, please.
This way, please.
Thank you very much.
Here is your table.
It's very nice.
Would you like the menus?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Take your time, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you. Natural conversation.
Good afternoon, welcome to our restaurant.
Good afternoon, thank you.
How many people are dining today?
Just one.
Certainly, please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table by the window.
Perfect, I really like this seat.
I'm glad you like it, here is the menu.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, take your time and I'll come back to take your order.
Sounds good, thank you. Repeat after me, repeat. Good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. A table for one, please. This way, please. Here is your table. May I have the menus? Here you are. Thank you very much. Take your time. I'll be back in a few minutes. Excellent, now you know how to greet someone, ask for a table, and receive a menu in English. Part 2. Looking at the menu and ordering drinks. Emma is now looking at the menu. David comes back to take her order. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Slow conversation.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet.
Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
I'd like a glass of orange juice.
Anything else?
A bottle of water, please.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Would you like a few more minutes to look at the menu?
Yes, please.
No problem, I'll be back soon.
Thank you very much. Natural conversation.
Hi again, have you decided what you'd like?
Not yet, I'm still looking at the menus.
No problem, can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Yes, please, I'd like a glass of orange juice and a bottle of water.
Of course, would you like ice with your orange juice?
Yes, please.
Great, I'll bring your drinks right away.
Thank you.
Take your time, I'll come back in a few minutes to take your food order.
Perfect, thank you very much. Repeat after me, repeat. Are you ready to order? Not yet. I'd like a glass of orange juice. A bottle of water, please. And anything else? Yes, please. Take your time. I'll be back soon. Thank you very much. Excellent, now you know how to ask for drinks and tell the waiter that you need a little more time before ordering your meal. Part 3. Ordering food. Emma is ready to order her meal. David comes back to her table. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Slow conversation.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I am.
What would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Good choice. Would you like rice or French fries?
I'd like rice, please.
Would you like a salad?
Yes, please, a small salad.
Certainly. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Perfect. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Natural conversation.
Hello again. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like to order now.
What would you like today?
I'd like the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like a salad with your meal?
Yes, a small salad, please.
Anything to drink besides your orange juice and water?
No, thank you, that's everything.
Great. I'll bring your food as soon as it's ready.
Thank you, everything looks delicious.
I hope you enjoy it.
Repeat after me, repeat. Are you ready to order? I'd like the grilled chicken, please. I'd like rice, please. A small salad, please. And anything else? No, that's all. Excellent choice. Your food will be ready soon. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Mini speaking practice.
What would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Fantastic, now you know how to order food politely in English. Part 4. Paying the bill and saying goodbye. Emma has finished her meal. Now it's time to pay the bill. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Slow conversation. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here is your bill. The total is $25.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye. Natural conversation. Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Of course. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, everything was delicious, thank you.
I'm happy to hear that. Here's your bill.
Thank you. Can I pay with my credit card?
Certainly. Please tap your card here.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Here is your receipt. Thank you for visiting our restaurant. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you for your excellent service. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a safe trip home. Goodbye.
Repeat after me, repeat. Can I have the bill, please? Here is your bill. Can I pay by card? Here you are. Here's your receipt. Thank you very much. Everything was delicious. Have a wonderful day. See you again. Goodbye. Mini speaking practice.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, everything was delicious. Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here is your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.
Excellent job. Today you learned how to enter a restaurant, ask for the menu, order food and drinks, pay the bill, and say goodbye in English. Keep practicing every day, and you'll become more confident speaking English in real-life situations. Thank you for learning with Queenly Conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. What's your favorite food? Answer in English. We'll see you in Lesson 8. Goodbye.